In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Flatpak package manager on Ubuntu. And here I'm going to use Ubuntu 26, but this method will work on any version of Ubuntu. Also, Ubuntu already has 2 package managers, so once you install Flatpak, you will have 3 package managers. But it's fine because some packages only available through the Flatpak, and for some software it also gives you the latest version. To install Flatpak, you need to run these 3 commands, and also after running these 3 commands you need to restart the computer. The first command is to install the Flatpak package manager. And then we will run the second command to integrate Flatpak with the GNOME Software Center, and this is if you want to install Flatpak packages using a GUI tool, you need to run this second command. And then we will run the third command to set up the Flathub repository. Repository is where we download our software from. And then we'll restart the computer. Okay, so the computer was restarted, so now let's try to install something. And to install Flatpak packages, you can't use the Ubuntu App Center, you have to use this one called software, and it is the GNOME Software app. So here let's search for something, and in this example I'm gonna search for software called AVI Dmux. So we have one result, and if we go inside we can click on this install button to install it. And also there's a drop down menu, and make sure that Flathub is selected. If there's a multiple sources, if you wanna install the Flatpak version, make sure to select the Flathub before you click the install button. Also you can install Flatpak packages using the Flatpak command, but I'm not gonna cover that on this video. And if you wanna learn how to use Flatpak command, I have a separate video for that, and you can find that video in the description.